In this video, I will tell you 5 ways to make money as a kid. What's good, everybody? I'm Andrew and I make videos about financial education. If you are new, please consider hitting the subscribe button with all post notifications on so when I upload new videos, it will notify you. Also, demolish the like button. With that being said, let's do this. The first way is selling candy and other goods at school. Selling goods at school can make you a lot of money. A lot of kids love candy, just like me. And I bet you can make at least $15 to $20 a day by selling goods. When you sell goods, do not sell it for like $20 because that is way too much money for a kid to pay. I do not recommend doing that even if you're tempted by the money. There is no way their parents will let them do that. The recommended price is 50 cents to $1. One thing you have to keep in mind is that you have to watch out for the teachers because they get really mad if you bring stuff you're not supposed to bring into school. The second way is selling water bottles at parks or places in public where a lot of people can get thirsty at. Selling water bottles can make you lots of money. All you have to do is bring a cooler with a bunch of water bottles. Then you are on your way to making moolah. When you are selling water bottles, make sure to ask a parent or guardian to help you sell them. The best season to make lots of money is summer. Summer is the season where most people go outside and take a run or walk. So when they get thirsty, they can go to your water selling booth and get some water. Also, same as selling candy. Sell the price that will attract people to buy your bottles. Selling high will decrease the chance to attract thirsty people. A good price to sell is for $1 or $1.50. The third way is being a dog walker. Being a dog walker is a really good way to make money. Also helping care for other people's pet. All you have to do is walk someone's dog. The way to find out if someone wants you to walk their dog is making a poster with the phone number of your parent or guardian and post it around the neighborhood. The average price for walking a dog is $1.50 to $2, depends on the time. The fourth way is lawn mowing people's grass. Lawn mowing grass is a nice way to make money, also kind of a hard way to make money, but it's still a really good way to make cash. Make sure you have your lawnmower and knock on people's door only if you see the grass is long. If they are long, then you can knock. If they are short, then don't knock. The price for lawn mowing is $10 or $5, depends on how much grass you have to cut. The last way is selling homework. Some kids in school don't want to do their work, so you can do it for them. If you are smart enough, they can give you the work and they will pay you after they're done. Although this might seem like cheating, which it kind of is, it is still a good way, but it is just really hard to do it. But it is also an option for you. The cost might be $1 to $1.25. Great! Now you know 5 of the best ways to earn money as a kid. If you use these methods, you're an entrepreneur. This word may not sound familiar, but it means being a business owner or a person who organizes a business. Also, this is active income, but it's a good way to start. All right, everybody, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.